Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to recover your TikTok account without email and phone number. Now let's begin. Okay, let's try to log in my account first. Solve the CAPTCHA and click Verify. Here it says incorrect password and I can't reset it, because I don't have access to my email and phone number anymore. So what you are going to do is just follow these steps to recover your TikTok account. The first step is to create a new account. After you create a new TikTok account, click the button on the upper right corner. Here scroll down and go to report a problem. Go to feed search share. And select feed. Here go to other option. Then click on still have problem. Here we are going to contact TikTok account. Explain to them what happened to your TikTok account. Once done, click on report. Request has been successfully sent. Just wait for their reply to your email. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.